What's up?
Was you off too long?
No, I was just, I didn't record yet. So it went off. Okay, 16, right? You're talking about an isosceles triangle. What you're talking about is a triangle that has two sides that are congruent. And then it says it has a short side. Now it says that these congruent sides are 3 times as big as the short side. So if I let this side, the short side, be x, how would I say that this side is 3 times that?
Those would be 3x.
Those would be 3x. So how big is this side?
3x.
3x. Now the perimeter is 35. How do we know what the perimeter is? What do you do to find the perimeter?
Add all the sides together.
Add all the sides. So that means 3x plus x equals 35, right? Definition of perimeter, right?
Yep.
So what is 3 plus 1? 7x equals 35, right? Okay, what did we do? Simplify. Okay, then what? Divide by 7. X equals 5. That means the short side, so that's a division property of equality. So the short side is 5, right? So how big are the congruent sides?
15.
15, because they're 3 times 5, right? Substitution, which is 15. Simplification. So that means you got 15 and 15. There you go. You can answer anything you want. Next. All right. This is how big. If this is a line, right? How many degrees are in the line? Shay, how many degrees are in the line?
I don't know. 180.
180. Right? Alright. If this angle is 100, then what's that angle? If this is 100, and the two add up to be 180, yeah. The other one must be 80. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, so you're saying 100 plus some number, right, is equal to 180. And that's definition of supplementary, or actually linear pair. Right? And then, oh, I shouldn't write it that far over. You're saying 80 plus some number, or sorry, 100 plus some number
It's 80.
equals 180. And that is definition of a linear pair. Okay? And so you said that that's 80. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so then how much does all the angles in a triangle add up to be?
180.
Yep. So that means 50 plus 80 plus x equals 180.
No.
Definition
Wait.
of a triangle. Right? So all the angles in a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So we know that 50 plus 80 plus x is 180 because they add up to be 180 degrees. All right? So what's 50 plus 80? 130. Okay? And so now subtract 130. And you get x is equal to 50. So the answer to 17 is D, 50 degrees. Not the 30 degrees, right? Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Okay? Now we do the same thing with this guy. If this has 1 and this has a 1, are they the same? So then that's 30. If this has 2 and this has 2, then are they the same?
Yep.
So that's 40. So that means that 30 plus 40 plus 4x plus 10 is equal to 180, right? Definition of a triangle. Same thing as before, right? All the angles add up to be 180 degrees. Then you have 30 and 40 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. Plus 4x equals 180. So that's simplification. So what do you do from here? Always the opposite, right? Subtract 80, subtract 80. So you get 4x is equal to 100. Right? What's that called? Subtraction, property of equality. And then what? How do I get x alone? Divide by 4. So I get x is equal to 25, right? Okay? So that's division property of equality. And so x is 25, and there you go.
I'm gonna just take a picture of it and write it down.
That's fine, that's fine.